out of 28 decisions, all are important as regards development of the state is concerned. Two were the items which were more focused by media, and they were like, we have taken a decision today to withdraw the permission, blanket permission that we had given to CBI to take any of the cases. That is withdrawn. That is one important. Apart from that, the important decision that we have taken today is no communication, lack of explanation or a detailed note shall go to governor without cabinet perusing them, and after our advice, the Chief Secretary can send it to
related
governor.
to this CBI issue, can you give us why the government, the cabinet have taken such decisions?
So it appears that the state government is trying to protect the chief minister from CBI's investigation.
In last couple of months, we are seeing that in this federal system, those instrumentalities which are with the government, CBI, I mean central government, have showing signs of their bias. Even Raj Bhavan is abused by the BJP. In view of that, these are the decisions taken by the
Sir, but then
cabinet.
Muda being a talking point, it appears as if the state government is trying to protect Siddaramaiah from
What
CBI's investigation.
what is there in Muda? Muda is already suggested to be investigated by Lokayuta, and that suggestion is from government of, by Honorable High Court. That's why Muda, CBI, nothing is relevant here.
But why are we restricting an investigation agency, sir? Why are we restricting?
No, we are not restricting. We will consider case by case. Blanket permission is withdrawn, but we will consider case by case. Coming to the development activities, see, we have taken one very important decision today. That is the Bennihalla, which is a tributary of Malaprabha. That is one big nala which has almost 16 TMCFT of water. The yield of that nala is 16 TMC, not a small thing. It is almost more than, not more than, but more than the share of what we have from Madai. We are double the share of Madai. That is the quantum of yield that Benlia has. It has a lot of floods on and often. To protect or to combat that flood and also safeguard the interest of farmers, we have taken up a project which will help in deepening, bunding and making use of that water for our farmers.
Sir, don't you think that opposition will make it an issue because the timing of the
What?
that regarding CBI open consent, CBI?
See, whether they make it a issue or otherwise, this is what is the wisdom of the cabinet, and we don't allow any misuse of any instrumentality.
Sir, on the Kasturi Rangan.
Kasturi Rangan report, we have decided today that we continue to continue the same stand what government of Karnataka has all the time taken, and we have decided that Kasturi Rangan report is not to be accepted.
So you are rejecting it?
Yeah, not accepted.
Sir, what's the decision as far as CBI is concerned? BJP was demanding the CBI inquiry in Muda issue. Is it somewhere curtail the powers of the CBI related to the Muda, because the complainant was trying to...
May I tell you, Muda is already suggested to be inquired by Lokayukta, and it is the decision of the Honorable High Court. When that is the position, the CBI, this, that will not be relevant. Thank you.
Is CM looking for any this legal option that when this decision will be taken, within a day or two, or
Which one?
regarding that CM, that away from cabinet minister, the whole cabinet stands like rock with CM, but is CM
The
looking for
whole
some legal?
cabinet expresses its solidarity with Honorable Chief Minister.
Sir,
The legislature party is behind him. The High Command has conveyed its support, moral support, and also given him, encouraged him to fight back to get justice. The party cadre is with him. And you are seeing, people are also with him.
legal options, sir. Legal option, any legal options CM is looking for?
That is the strategy that can be discussed or told only after we discuss with our legal
Sir,
experts.
on the governor issue, are you somewhere trying to curtail the powers of the governor, or are you somewhere smelling something fishy in all the reports sought by the governor office?
It is unfortunate that the small issues are being chosen to harass the government.
Harassment by the governor office, you are saying?
Huh?
You are saying harassment by the government.
Harass?